Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use trending templates in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. So here after you open the edits app, you will be finding yourself on the projects tab. And if you go to the bottom or the bottom menu, you will be seeing the idea tabs, and here there is the inspiration tab, projects tab, and where you can record, and those are the statistics. Now we will be needing to go to insights so we can find inspirations. So here you will find like videos that you can use as inspiration, and basically you can also start viewing these on uh, Instagram, and after that you will be able to add them as an idea of inspiration. So here, if we click on this one, it will be you will be able to start adding idea, or you can also use their clips with something in your gallery. So that's the only way that you can use as templates for edits. So here we will choose use audio, click on gallery, and I'm going, for example, to add it with these two images and load the media. As you can see, it will take the audio from it, and then you will be able to start adding it to your edits. Also, you will be able to write down ideas so they can remind you of the idea that you've been thinking of here when you saw this inspiration. So basically, those are the ways that you can follow as templates in Instagram Edit. Thank you for watching and see you next time.